Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair today. Just going over a quick tech tip here, how to get these frames cleaned all up. This is a 2005 Yamaha YZ250. It looks pretty dirty and grimy. We're going to get this thing all scrubbed up. This is part of a YZ250 build I'm doing. So I'm going to show you how to do this and what I use. First off, you're going to need some cleaners. This is simple green. All right, the key here is that you only put about this much simple green in it, and then the rest is all water. And you'll have a good mix and a good cleaning mix. If you mix it much stronger, it gets kind of aggressive. Then we're going to use some brake cleaner for any of these parts that have grease and oil on them. You can hit it with a little bit of this first. You need some good brushes to get down in there. So brushes like this, so you can just kind of stick it down in there and clean them up. A couple of other brushes. This one's aluminum here, so I can get inside some of the aluminum places and it doesn't damage the metal too much. And then we have another brush just for deep cleaning. Also using this stuff from Eagle One. It's called Mag Cleaner. So this is the new bottle, they say, and that's the old bottle right there. So the Eagle One cleaner works really good. This stuff is really aggressive. It's an etching cleaner, so when you spray it on there, you don't want to leave it on long. So we're going to spray it on, brush it a little bit using a scuff pad, and then we're going to take it off. So here's the scuff pad here that I like to use. This is the Ultra Fine. This is by 3M. 3M Ultra Fine scuff pad. It's great for aluminum. It cleans it up. It gives it a factory finish. I'm going to start cleaning this thing up here. The first thing I'm going to do is you want to get all this dirt off before you use the Eagle One cleaner, because the Eagle One cleaner doesn't cut through that. It's just for cleaning up bare metal. So let's get this all cleaned up. Make sure you got a pair of gloves on, especially if you're using this cleaner. It's really aggressive. You don't want it on your skin. Alright guys, so that's all there is to it. One of the key things I want to tell you is you don't want to leave that aluminum cleaner on for too long. It only says like 30 seconds and then rinse it off. So I'm going to go back and keep doing this a little bit here and there to detail, but you can see how much cleaner it is now, how much better it looks. Alright, again, don't leave it on really long. If you get streaks and stuff in there, like you can see a little bit right there, I'll just spray that section again and it'll clean that back up. So you want to just keep going over it and getting it all nice and scrubbed down clean. And this frame will be clean and ready to go and ready to rebuild here in a little bit. Rinse it really good. Don't leave any of it on there. I'm going to keep on getting inside of those nooks and crannies, and it's going to look good, guys. But that's all there is to it. Hopefully this helps you out. Just a quick tech tip, how to get these frames all nice and clean and look like new again. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for other notifications. Until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair.